Julia Trubkina's newborn picture fans is blown away, but Brandon Gibbs is nowhere to be seen, leading some to believe he is missing out on a significant occasion. Julia Trubkina aspires to leave the Gibbs farm and pursue the American dream. She and her husband intend to notify Ron and Betty Gibbs as soon as they find a new home. The couple has looked at a few flats, but finding one is proving to be complicated. Julia continued implying that she would like more space in the new house. She asked Brandon for a 3-bedroom apartment while looking for a place to call home. Brandon thought it was too huge, but Julia was focused on the price. Julia Trubkina and Brandon Gibbs are looking for an apartment on 90 Day Fiance. Julia expresses her desire to relocate to a city such as Las Vegas, but Brandon states that they cannot do so. He also claims that the 3-bedroom apartment he and Julia initially look at is out of their price range. Fans also scoff at Julia's ambitions to be a wedding planner, but those ambitions vanish as they start looking for a place to live and she resumes her dance career. Fans are particularly interested in how Julia brought up the idea that she will appear larger in 90 Day Fiancé Happily Ever After. She discusses how she struggled to lose weight at first but was finally successful. Was this a cover-up? She links a larger size to stress. TLC is notorious for keeping pregnancy and weight loss announcements under wraps. 90-day period Julia Trubkina, Julia's fiancé, announced 2 weeks earlier that she was returning to Russia. She's been living the life and sharing stories about her hometown since then. She's been spending time with friends and family, but many were taken aback by her visit. Some even speculated that she and Brandon Gibbs were divorcing since he did not accompany her. She affirms that not only are they okay, but Brandon is her true love and they are content. Julia Trubkina, 90 Day Fiancé, has been keeping fans guessing about her whereabouts. While in Russia, she posts a photo of herself getting an ultrasound. On the other hand, Brandon Gibbs is still in America, indicating that he missed the ultrasound. Maybe she's in Russia to spend time with her family before the birth of her child. Many women value their relationships with their moms, which is a significant moment in their lives. Her family may have desired to participate in their own ultrasound experience.